Changing your primary email on Salesforce Commerce is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Salesforce Commerce account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed to the email settings. Step 4. Update your primary email. In the Email Preferences section, you will see your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to save your changes and confirm the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Salesforce Commerce will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages or further instructions.